in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning report. Coastal waters from Thunderstorm in West New Jersey to Cape Columbus and Delaware out 20 nautical miles. Northern waters from Little Lake in West Cape, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 4:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Sea Isle City to near Buoy 3 and B, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots.